Currently on your boat, you should have these 5 binders: the Operations Risk Management Manual, a first quarter monthly safety training and drills for 2019, your boat's TVR, tow and safety management system, and a safety drill book. Beginning April 1st, we will no longer use the Operations Risk Management Manual or the first quarter monthly safety training and drills, since that's the first quarter of 2019 will be over. For now, we will be utilizing the TVR, the tow and safety management system, and safety drill book. Your vessel manager will send you a calendar that will be used to keep track of your documents, your safety drills, and your safety meetings. This began January 2019. We are now in April, so let's skip to that part in the calendar. We'll begin going over the calendar starting with Monday, April 1st. On this day, the bi-monthly fuel report was due. This is a bi-monthly fuel report. Self-explanatory. Once you're done with it, you send a copy of it to the Dropbox. The next document is your rigging count. This is a blank rigging count. Once you're done with this, you send a copy to the Dropbox, and then you'll take this and put it in your TVR under towing gear, maintenance, and inspection. The next document is your daily position at 0600 and 1500. So at 0600 and 1500, you want to write down your position and send it through Dropbox. The next document is your daily log. This is a daily log. You'll take this, fill it out, send it through Dropbox, and then put this in your TVR under the daily log section. The next thing that is due is your engine room log. This is an engine room log. You'll fill it out and send it through Dropbox. On April 2nd, you'll do your daily position 0600 1500, daily log, and engine room log. On Wednesday, April 3rd, you'll do your week 1 Wheelman's Weekly Checklist. This can be found in your TVR. So we'll go to the TVR, go to the weekly/monthly checklist, and we'll pull out week 1. We'll make a copy of this on our printer. Do not use the original to write on. Once you've made a copy, fill it out with your vessel name and your date. Fill out all these sections. Print and sign your name. You want to put the original and the one that you'd filled out in your TVR, and make sure that you send a copy of the filled out Wheelman's Weekly Checklist to the Dropbox. Also due on April 3rd is your daily position at 0600 1500, daily log, and engine room log. For April 4th, 5th, and 6th, you have your daily position 0600 1500, daily log, and engine room log to be sent in. On Sunday, April 7th, will be your day that you do your safety drills and safety meetings. The safety drill for this day is safety instruction and orientation, which can be found in your safety drill book. So we'll go to April in the safety drill book and take out this drill. We were using these forms for safety drills and safety meetings, but instead of using these, we will use the ones that are in our tow and safety management system. The drill that you want to fill out can be found in SOP 4204 under Drill Report. this is a safety drill and meeting form. So you want to take this out, make copies on your printer. I would go ahead and make a lot of copies of this because you're going to need them in the future. And take your original and put it back in your TVR. Now that you have your emergency drill and training reporting form printed out, you'll put in your vessel name, date, the type of drill. In this instance, this is a fire safety and instruction and orientation, so you'll click on fire, any equipment you use and the weather conditions, the training topic, which will be this right here, write that in, and you'll use the section other and you'll write safety drill book. You'll write any comments that you have for yourself or the crew in this section, print and sign the names of everybody that is involved in the drill. Once you've completed this, you take your filled out form and go to your TVR. Go to the safety drill section and put it in this section of your TVR. Also, send a copy to the office through Dropbox. The next things that are due on this day are safety meetings, and these are found in the TSMS book. On this day, you will do a safety meeting on mission statements, safety meetings, safety training, and safety drills. So I'll show you where those are found now. So you'll go to your tow and safety management system book, and the first one's on mission statements, and that's in section 1001. And so this is your mission statement. It's one page. So you'll take a copy of the emergency drill and training reporting form that you made and fill it out. You put your vessel name, date, type of drill. I would write other safety meeting. Then in your training topic, you can put mission statement. And so you would use other as your reference form, reference source, and put in there TSMS. Then write any comments that you or the crew have during the meeting, print your name, and sign your name. Once you're done with this, you send a copy to the office through Dropbox, and you'll put this in the safety meeting section of your TVR. The next meeting that is due on this day is safety meetings. That's found in section 4201 of the TSMS. So let's go there. So we are now in section 4201, safety meetings. Once again, you'll take an emergency drill and training reporting form, a copy that you have, put in your vessel name, date, in drill, type of drill, put safety meeting. And then in training topic, you would just write safety meeting. Your source is going to be TSMS. Any comments that you'll have during the training, everyone's printed name and signature. Once completed, send a copy to the Dropbox and put this in your TVR again under the section safety meetings. The next safety meeting for the day is safety training. That's found in section 4202 of your TSMS. So we'll go there. Once again, you'll take a copy of the emergency drill and training form, fill it out, send a copy to the office through Dropbox, put this filled out copy in your TVR under safety meetings. The last safety meeting for the day is safety drills. That's found in section 4203 of your TSMS. So we'll go there. Once again, you'll take an emergency drill and training reporting form, put in all your information, send a copy to the Dropbox, and when it's completed, put this in your TVR under section safety meetings. Please remember, these are due on Sunday, so if you want to do some during the week, that's perfectly fine. So I'm going to skip ahead to April 15th to show you another form that will be due 2 times each month, which is the payroll form. This is the payroll form. You should have it on your boat. It's pretty self-explanatory. you'll need to send this to the Dropbox on the date and the calendar because your vessel manager has to sign off on this for payroll approval. Once again, I'm going to skip ahead to April 30th to show you another document that is due. On this day, you will have to turn in your monthly exam checklist. Your monthly exam checklist is found in your TVR under weekly/monthly checklist. So we'll go to this section. You'll take out these two forms, go to your printer, make copies, put the originals back in your TVR so you have them to make copies of later. Fill out this information, put your vessel name, your date, and then once you're completed, send it to the Dropbox and put the filled out forms back in your TVR under the weekly/monthly checklist. When you receive your calendar from your vessel manager, you also receive a sheet that says miscellaneous documents. This was created to explain what documents are due during certain situations. So this first situation is beginning of voyage, watch change, or change in conditions. And the action to be taken then is to do a voyage plan. This explains when a voyage plan is due and why we're doing them. And you do not have to print out your voyage plan when you do it in the Greystone Ops system on your computer, but you just need to be able to pull them back up if anyone asks for them. All of this is explained in a training video that can be found under the training button in the Greystone Ops system under voyage plan. The next situation is crew change. During each crew change, we need a boarding and departure statement. This is a boarding and departure statement. So when a crew member boards the boat, you need to fill out the top section for boarding and send a copy to the Dropbox once it's filled out, and then put it in your TVR under boarding and departure statement. Once a crew member has departed or is about to depart, you'll fill out the bottom section of this for departure, send a copy to the Dropbox, and take the completed filled out form, and put it back in your boarding and departure statement section of your TVR. The next situation is boarding of new crew member. When a crew member boards a vessel for the first time, they must be given a vessel safety orientation. The vessel safety orientation can be found in SOP 2402 of the TSMS. So this is section 2402 of the TSMS. This explains what a vessel safety tour is. And this is the form that should be filled out during the vessel safety tour. Once this is filled out, you'll send a copy of it to the Dropbox, and you'll put the filled out copy in your TVR under Vessel Safety Orientation Program. The next situation is boarding of non-crew members. So when a non-crew member boards the vessel, they first need to fill out the visitor's log. The second thing they need to do is do a vessel safety tour, which is what we just went over. It's found in section 2402 of your TSMS. They will fill out this form. You'll send a copy to the Dropbox. And then you'll take it and put it in your TVR under Vessel Safety Orientation Program. The next situation is supply and grocery order. So in our company, we have 2 people that do supply and grocery orders for all the boats in the fleet. This is a grocery order with a supply list. So when you're requesting supplies or groceries, you need to do this 72 hours prior of the date you want to receive the goods. Unless it is an extreme emergency, we will not get you these supplies or groceries unless they are sent to us 72 hours before wanting to receive them. So when you finish filling this out, send it to the Dropbox and text your vessel manager letting them know that you put in an order. The next situation is barge pickup and drop off. And so you should fill out a barge pickup drop off sheet anytime you drop off or pick up a barge. This is very important because we use this sheet to do the billing for the barges that are being moved around. Once you have filled this out, send a copy to the Dropbox. The last situation is barge reports. These should be sent in anytime you pick up a barge. So you will fill out this barge report and send it to Dropbox. Thank you for your time today. And if you have any questions or if you're missing any of these documents, please contact your vessel manager. Thank you and be safe.